So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the screen flash notifications on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So start by opening the Settings app, then you want to scroll and select Accessibility. From here, select Advanced Settings, then choose the option Flash Notification. Next, look for Screen Flash Notification and just tap on the toggle next to it to enable it. Once enabled, you can just select this preview button to see how the screen flash notification will look like. You can go a step further by customizing the color of the flash notification, as well as having selected apps using this feature. So if you've decided to set all apps being able to send you screen flash notifications, then you can just customize the color for all of them. So tap on this color option here, which by default is yellow, and then choose a color from this list of options that you have available. So you have blues, you have greens, reds, purples, oranges, all sorts of things. And it's up to you to decide which one you prefer. So before you even make it the change permanent, you can just tap on preview to see how that color would look like. If you don't like it, you can just switch to something else until you find the color that suits your needs. Once you found the color, you want to remember to tap on done to save and apply the changes. And so now whenever you get a screen flash notification, the color that you've just chosen will now be your new default. If you've chosen to have selected apps sending you screen flash notifications, so just tap on it like that to choose it. Then you can just come here and choose which apps will be allowed to send you the flash notification. You'll also notice color options appearing next to each app that you choose. So now it's up to you to decide if you want to color code these notifications so that you're always aware of what is sending what. So for example, if I want to color code it, with Asphalt, I'll set it to a blue and then select done. And then Call of Duty, I can set it to a green and then tap on done. So I know whenever my screen flash is blue, it's a notification from Asphalt. If my screen flash is green, I know it's a notification from Call of Duty. And so those are the multiple ways you can customize your screen flash notifications. And then once you're done, you can just exit the Settings app with the changes being applied onto your A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.